Yo!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to PADI. And I have Afro hair. Don't. Don't even try yourself now.
I want you to do plenty makeup today.
I don't even do anything.
You don't do anything?
Nothing.
So if I come out...
I've warned you in this life.
You say I'll come out and since you don't already tell me, say don't. You know how I go do them. So
Don't,
in the first place, just go do the
no,
don't.
Please don't.
Okay, how are they? Hopefully everybody did very okay. And welcome on to the PADI show. That's how we roll.
Yes.
All right, so.
And today it's Game Thursday. Another day for me to prove to this guy that I'm not really his mate intellectually.
All the men are who? We did. No shaking. We'll try. Understand me now.
All right, okay. They say when we come, they introduce the show. So we don't introduce PADI. We don't tell you now what we get for today. Now break it. Abi?
I said they don't play go just now. All right. So okay, they say we no do break.
Oh really?
Ani Baba. Really?
What happened? Thank you. We take a bow. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are very grateful.
We are more than grateful.
We are very grateful. Thank you.
You know, we appreciate you for not breaking on us. I mean, breaks up. So, but we can't. And you are the man. You are your amusement park. You know, you are the man. So basically.
Okay.
More explain game.
So we get the first game for you, and this one concerns state and capital. Isabi?
State and capital.
Abia, Umuahia, Adamawa, Yola,
Akwa Ibom,
Uyo,
Anambra,
Awka,
Bauchi,
Benue,
Makurdi,
Borno, Maiduguri,
Calabar,
Calabar, Delta, Asaba, Edo, Bini, Enugu, Imo, Owerri, Jigawa, Dutse, Katsina, Kaduna, Kano, Kebbi, Kogi, Lokoja, Kwara, Ilorin, Lagos.
Some days they say add for some kind of places. Later, we will no confit to the showcase inside the whole thing. That's every government. Maybe one government, you'll wake up one day, maybe like Buhari now, we all decide to say, we have just 4 states. They'll say, okay, Lagos,
no, but I don't want to they add more.
And they can add some inside. So you don't want to follow the system who don't they form recitation on top. But anyway,
Lagos,
Nigeria said too big. So they just break the whole thing. But we are not breaking as a country.
No, we're not.
So we'll stand fit together and we'll do things. Yeah, so.
Okay, so this particular game, we go call out, one person go pick, he go call out the state, and the other person go answer the slogan for the state. You understand? You go pick paper, any state where they are, you go call out the slogan for the state. Are you ready for this?
But we'll get there. We'll go find this one. I'm going to jump into that game like that now. We'll just open, you understand? So we'll start with something like musical video. Say Throwback Thursday.
Okay, musical video.
Understand? Say a Throwback Thursday thing. So just give us any old school bedu. You understand? Where you take us
Please,
back. Please,
not Love Me Jeje.
Not Love Me Jeje, not Type Loss.
Please.
Hey,
oh boy, what is the matter? Me, I go tell them, say, they make my head scatter.
See, I used to lie to myself that you'll always be a player.
You don't mean it. But since you set your eyes on me,
oh my, you don't make me fall in love.
Yeah.
Don't do.
Okay, ginger, saga, let's enter the show.
With the bunch. All right, so more go. So this one on our states and
the capital and the slogan.
Yeah. So the slogan. Most of us don't really know these things, and we need to know these things. But the states for Nigeria too much. How many you want to remember? You understand? But anyway, we will try our best. More we see how we take do based on how they sharp.
Yeah.
You understand? So Mayolistic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Mayolistic.
Yes.
You sure you're set?
Yes.
Abracadabra. And every.
Pick up.
Okay, so I'll pick my first one now. And then Kwara State.
Ilorin.
Kwara.
Capital is Ilorin.
Ilorin, 15 seconds.
Place of harmony. Place of harmony.
Yeah.
Place of harmony. Yes.
Okay. You try. Oh yeah. So my own now. You are going to pick, and you are going to pick. Don't worry, the distractors were back.
Okay.
All right. So.
Akwa Ibom.
Uyo.
Slogan. Slogan?
Give me Q, give me Q. Land of promise.
No, the other way, the other
Promised
way.
land.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, don't worry.
If person remember all these things, we dey try, oh. Don't worry.
We dey try.
We dey try.
We dey try. We dey try.
Okay, because the people wey dey give us this thing for back, then wicked, then how they go sellotape am? More for don't know how far.
No, don't worry.
No, this one are the one way.
Okay, now you want we don't do this. Okay,
you go pick from
I'll
inside
come
now.
pick
Yeah, I'm gonna
one
pick
now.
as well. Oh, yes.
So, Niger.
Now there I go school. Now Oshe Power State. Now there I go school. Federal University of Technology. Mina, Niger State Power.
Don't do.
Oh no, I just want to tell you in case you don't know.
You don't do.
I just want to tell you in case you don't know.
All right, so we dey go on.
Okay.
Let's go. About we dey try you.
We dey try this guy.
We brilliant. Not joke with us. We dey brilliant.
are very smart.
We smart dad.
Very smart.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Rivers.
Rivers, Port Harcourt.
Yes, slogan.
Treasure
something.
Treasure
yeah.
land.
No.
Treasure base.
Yes. Yes. Treasure base. This thing dey sweet me die. It dey sweet me die. It dey off me. My turn.
So no, I just want to take time, to just celebrate us because man. We just bad like that, you understand? We can't shout. Thank you. We can't shout, we can't shout too much. All right, so we get one more to go. One more, and 2 we don't do so far.
Oh, okay.
And we don't bracket the whole thing. So one more. Let's see.
Oh, kaka. What happened? What?
Lagos.
Oh, okay. Lagos, Ikeja. Slogan for Lagos State is Center of Excellence. Okay, you don't feel am.
No, you feel am.
You don't feel am. Come on there.
You say,
if I don't get Lagos
wait, see, that's why Funeno too dey good sometimes.
Center of Excellence.
No, you say Center of Excellence.
No, I say Center of Excellence.
Center of Excellence.
See this. If I don't know Lagos, you no go beat me.
I will slap you.
You no go beat me. Oh, yeah, ma ask you this one.
Finally.
It's about to go down. Finally. It's about, oh no, Toba Mele, you be embarrassing me.
Where?
Toba Mo, if
Delta
you don't know
State.
my hometown. Oh
Delta
no,
State.
Oyo.
Ibadan.
Slogan.
Oyo, Ibadan. Pay setter.
No, how long to I live? One méjì fẹ́ yọ kan jẹ. Ọ̀gá àdẹ̀wà okay.
They force for back.
Àdẹ̀wà okay gan.
No,
I'm working. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, come here. Yeah, you try.
Thank you.
So that's how we just roll. You understand?
Yes.
Based on the brilliance and everything, we're not verse for us. You understand? We're just too sharp like that. If we continue, so we're going to get and they go.
Yes.
You understand? But more importantly, make sure that they know,
We want to give a thank you speech for understanding and recognizing our intelligence.
Yeah.
So on behalf of my PADI and myself, Agbolo and Maiwa, we want to say a very big thank you because our mitochondria is working really good.
Yeah.
And we want to say thank you also because our esophagus has passed through our intestine,
Exactly.
come out from our long blood cell, and now mixed with the white blood cell, and now is now at the back of our center membrane.
Thank
you so very much.
Break. That time, it seemed like chuku.
Where fubu, chai.
We had fubu, big G's.
You don't see the VCs, chai,
They
jeans
wear
up
clothes.
and down.
They wear clothes.
They wear clothes. And it makes sense. Because
clothes.
upon all, they still they do, but now.
Some
of them, check, carry belly.
No,
the way life is.
When you get, twerk. Belly, you come out. You know, so things are happening these days, you know.
But I think I should do a lot more no makeup. Don't you think?
What? You should do what?
Sometimes. A lot more no makeup sometimes.
Why? So your face will breathe? Yes. Okay. You know, I know this female term sometimes. I want my face to breathe.
Okay, I know do it because of the hair, you know, make it no day too much. Me everything just.
Can't too much.
All right, so the second half of this game, what we get for you is going to be exquisitely beautiful, and I will tell you why.
Exquisitely.
Here's the thing. One person is going to call it's gonna describe something that goes with colors. You understand? For example, now, I feel pick something.
Yes.
Make it be saying a color white, damn.
Yes.
Eh? I go come try
To
describe something. I feel just look and tell and say, okay, color white. Me na white I dey see, but I no go tell and say na white because I go need to describe something. We go make and tell me say na white. So once I don't see the white, I go just tell her maybe I feel tell her something like heaven.
Okay.
You understand?
So if you can't go pick, for example, go pick something like color riot now.
You know when try be color riot now. It will be this.
All right, so let's go. This is some people, the color riot is okay, color purple, color green, color riot. You know, so.
All right, you ready for me?
Yes.
Okay.
You ready, B? All
right, Ogbolo, I have a color for you.
Okay.
The sky.
Blue.
Oh, yes.
Come on, man. Clap for me.
It's too simple, now I make.
Thank you.
It's too simple.
You want to do the job. It's easy to do all this mental.
He's
is
angry.
It easy to be
He
doing
is so
mental
mad. They
work?
don't ring bell for you, Oga. Pick.
All right, so let's pick and let's pick.
Let me disgrace you here now.
Let's pick and drop. Now different paper there, so we just shuffle them. No. This one we know. I never behave yourself, please. When this one be mature. Come on, compose yourself. So.
Oh my God, that is so disgusting.
Get
Don't
away.
do that. Don't do that. No, that is so unprofessional.
When they kiss me up and down, you know they know. All right, so I have a color for you.
Okay.
I have a color for you.
Tell me.
I have a color for you.
Oh yeah, now color me.
It's a color.
Oh yeah, color.
Share time day for this thing. Share time day.
Yes, small time day. Why will you start ticking? You never even describe when I don't they tick.
What's in second? This one they give players.
Yellow card.
Hey.
Yellow. Yellow. Okay.
No, she kini Baba, Ani Baba, kilo share.
So I have a color for you.
Ti she kini
And you know, so when I've been there explain this game, Gidi,
yes.
I mentioned something.
Yes.
I said chroma.
Hey, green. 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 For those of now who don't know chroma be, chroma na green.
For those of now who don't know what chroma be, chroma na some a color, a backdrop, plain color where they put to fit, they do artistic something.
They know. Una know abi? Una know. All right, so this one now. I have a color for you. Say color.
Color.
So make and the sweet. Make no like you're dry. I have a color for you.
Color me.
All right, so color me.
I too like
all right. This card.
Pink. Pink.
This is too easy now.
Pink. This one simple now.
It's simple.
Oh, we will do 1-1, then we go end.
All right. Who not the ring bell? Who they?
It be like landline that year. All right.
All right, so we go.
The blood.
Redo.
Yes.
Redo.
Yes, this is so simple. Oh my God. Ow. Oh yeah, come on, color me. The last one.
Okay, so find out. See,
Yes.
this. Okay.
Finally, is about to go down.
Mayawa.
It's about to go. What?
I have a color for you.
This one tough. Color me.
I can't think.
This one tough.
Purple.
Okay, you don't know if you want to describe purple.
Oh.
Oh.
I give.
Oh, Naim. Oh yeah, do another one. Do the last one.
Did you take cast just now?
But how will Forte describe purple?
How would I take describe purple? Cucumber. No, now green.
That's green.
Now green.
How will Forte describe purple?
The king's robe. Royalty.
Royalty. Purple, royalty. Okay.
That means it was not so easy like that. So.
That cough choke you there. That cough choke you there.
Okay, so this one. Coffee.
Black.
No.
Brown.
Yeah.
Brown.
Oh, yeah, so do one for your mind.
Make I do one for my mind. Okay.
This one, I know they pick now. This one, I just like bonus.
Bonus round.
Bonus. Because now this one, me and you don't win everything today. One way teacher no go fit.
What to say no go fit?
Just try. 15 seconds. Let's go.
Okay. Did they drink them? Did they suck them?
White.
Wait till you want suck for inside white. Wait, what fruit do you know that is white?
Colorless.
Did they suck them? Orange.
Okay, I won't give you my own. I'll give you my own. Finally, my own now. You don't do.
This cough will choke you.
Okay, so my own now. Where winch then they go? The color.
Black?
No.
Of course it's black.
Must it be black? Is black a color? No.
Gray.
No.
You are so evil.
No.
You are so evil.
Look at this girl. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Don't feel anyhow.
What's the color? What's the color?
Thick black. Thick black.
Follow us for Twitter.
No, laugh.
Just follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI.
There's black and there's thick black. There are two different shades of black. Don't worry, you. They talk this.
And all right, and on this note, we have come to the end of PADI for today. Thank you so much for staying with us. Join us again tomorrow, and we will still give you Mechetram Exquisite, Escalate, Escomplice, Escombalabses, Escobese episode of PADI.
We love all of you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.